Hi everyone, today we're making an easy beef burger with mushrooms. This recipe is super simple and very quick to make, so let's get started. We start off with 500 grams of minced beef. You can use whatever meat you like. 500 grams, approximately half a pound. Make sure it's drained well. We add this to a bowl along with 3/4 of a cup of canned or fresh mushrooms. Make sure you squeeze out all the liquid from the canned mushrooms. The mushrooms go directly into the patty. Now we're going to put this in the processor and process just until it resembles the minced meat texture. So we can add that to the minced meat as well. Next, we have 1 slice of bread that has been soaking in some milk. Squeeze out all the milk and add this to the bowl. We're adding a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 3 1/4 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, or you can use garlic powder. And you need half a cup of finely chopped onions. After chopping the onions, squeeze out as much of the liquid as you can. The patties should not have too much liquid in them. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of butter, softened. Just give this a good mix. We're going to add 1 egg here. You can also add a little bit of freshly chopped scallions or parsley if you like. So our patty mix is ready. Now we can form our patties. Now you can either make 4 thick patties, or if you want to stretch the recipe, you can make 8 thinner patties, as I'm doing today. Divide the patty mixture equally. Now line a tray with some parchment paper so that we can shape our patties easily. If you have a hamburger patty shaper, you can use that, or you can just use your hands and make a nice even sized patty. And you want to make sure that the center is a little bit more indented than the edges. This ensures that the patty doesn't shrink while we grill them. So we're just going to continue that with all our remaining patties. So I have prepared all the patties. Now I'm going to place them in the freezer for 15 minutes so that they can set slightly before I grill them. Here I have my grill pan, and I just lightly greased it. That is not necessary. Place the patties on the grill pan. The patties have set by now, so they're easy to handle. You want to grill the patties for 2 to 3 minutes per side according to the thickness. As soon as you lay the patties onto the grill, you want to sprinkle with a little bit of salt and pepper. Once all the patties are grilled, we can set them aside and we can assemble our burgers. Slice the burger buns and slice the tomatoes and onions. You want to lightly toast the burger buns. Rinse and spin some fresh and crunchy iceberg lettuce or whatever you like. On the bottom bun, place the patties and natural cheese slices. You can use whatever cheese you like. I'm using Gouda. Use your broiler or the grill setting on your convection microwave to melt the cheese lightly. And on our top bun, we apply a little bit of mayonnaise and ketchup. Do this according to your taste. You can add whatever other toppings you like pickles, relish, mustard. We add slices of tomato and onion. And our burger is done. How's that for a quick homemade beef burger with mushrooms? We hope you enjoyed the quick video recipe. Let us know in the comment section how you like to make your burgers at home. Thanks for watching. Bye!